Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my update to you on my diamond painting kit that I have done for this past 1 month. I wasn't uploading any videos because I was very busy on doing some stuff, and today I thought I'd show you what I have finished doing, and I'm doing the other one, and I'm trying to finish it in 3 weeks time, and I hope you like this diamond painting. Second one, which I have started to do, so I've been spending about 1 week of it to finish, and I need about 3 weeks to finish this project. And this is the one in the picture, it's the one I'm doing now, and I'm gonna show you the update once I finish it. Hopefully it will turn out nice and good, like the other ones I have done. The big one that I have done, I took it for I'm going to be putting them in my bedroom. This one and the other one, I'm gonna maybe sell them because I have no space here at home to hang them because I have loads. And yeah, I hope you like my video, and please subscribe to my channel and for more update on diamond painting. And I am gonna have a raffle on my ICOS things that I have here, but I need to have like 1,000 subscribers so I can do a live video. So I hope you subscribe to my channel, and so you can have a chance to win an ICOS machine as well, ICOS smoking device. And yeah, I don't just do a diamond painting, I do some stuff as well. So that's it guys, thank you for watching.